Welcome to Maria's Craft Studio. In this tutorial I will show you how to draw a dog from a photo. First let's create a canvas, 30 by 30 centimeters, and 300 dpi. Then add a photo of a dog. I will use a photo of a Labrador, because this is my favorite breed of dog. In the description under this video you can download this photo. First, let's take a look at the photo and outline the basic shapes. I choose a brush from a sketching set, peppermint, and a turquoise color. I outline the shape of the head, nose, the location of the eyes, further ears, mouth and body. Now we understand what forms the dog consists of, and we just have to repeat it. This way of dividing an object into forms is very convenient and you can use it in any situation. I create a new layer, choose black and start repeating these shapes. I also use the liquify tool to touch up my sketch. Then, I lower the opacity of this layer and create a new one for a more detailed sketch. I add a photo of the dog as a reference, remove the visibility of the layers, and increase the sketch. Now, on a new layer I start to draw a detailed sketch. I also use the selection tool to touch up my sketch. After that, I delete all other layers and create a new one for the color. I choose a brush from the watercolor set, number 7, and the main color of the fur from the photo. I fill the whole dog with this color, and use the blend tool to keep the color uniform. I take the lighter color and add it, where the light falls. After that, I take a darker color and add it in the areas where the shadow falls. The next step is to paint over the nose, eyes and add highlights to them. Then I draw the tongue and the area around it. I choose the darkest fur color and paint where the darkest parts are. Also I add a little gray near the nose and eyes. After that, I use the blend tool in some places. I select the sketch layer and erase it, where it is not needed. So, illustration is ready. It turned out to be a quick sketch that does not take much time. These sketches are useful to practice every day to improve your skills. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, put your like and subscribe to my channel. You can also write your opinion about this video in the comments or contact me by email.